Ano po ang proseso ng pagpapalit ng isang Speaker of the House? Sabihin na natin he resigns. How would that process be?
Okay. So, one way is that someone will make a motion to declare all positions vacant. And that would mean that the speakership, but also all other positions in the House, from the deputy speaker positions to the committee chairs, etc., would also be open. No? Pero sa mga usap-usapan sa House na nasasagap natin, ay tila hindi ganun ang gusto mangyari ng majority. No? That would be too, siguro tingin nila, that would be too disruptive, especially since ongoing yung budget deliberations. So, that's one option. For example, si Congressman Kiko Barsaga, I think that's what he was hinting at, that he would
Replace.
replace by moving to
Yes.
declare all positions vacant. But that would require, for it to succeed, that would of course require majority support. So, another scenario would be just to replace the speaker while essentially retaining the status quo otherwise. No? Yung parang ganyan yung mga naririnig natin na considerations in this situation.